Oh, Lord. Drew, what we working on today, man?
Hey man, so what we got here is a 2013 Toyota Camry. The lady had come in complaining of a clicking noise when steering. So we shook down the front end, we didn't really find anything loose there, and we noticed that it sounded like it was coming from the top of the dash. So once we got under there, we noticed the system that was at play with the electric motor built onto the steering column. There's a few different ways electric steer can happen. In this particular way, you get a bushing right in here. You can come over here and check it out. We got a bushing that is called a damper, so that these metal gears here don't make noise on these metal gears. You can see down here, there's our rubber that has come apart, and if you look at our new gear, that don't exist. Allowing these to touch here and give us our clicking sound. Nice. So I think we got it pretty good on the diagnosis. I don't think there's going to be anything else wrong with the lady's car, and it's a pretty simple fix.
So there's a pretty common issue on these Camrys.
In these systems, yes. There's a few different systems, but on this system, yeah, particularly.
Nice. All right, man.
Absolutely.
We'll throw the bush in there, put it back together, and it should be good to go,
Absolutely,
huh?
I would say so.
Nice, man.